In this video, I will be installing the GTX 970 and replacing the GTX 760 on my second computer. The first thing you want to do is uninstall the graphics driver on your computer prior to doing this. Now once you've done that, then begin removing your current graphics card on your computer. Unplug the power cables first. Then what you want to do is you want to come over here. Depending on what your case you have, you may have this. Make sure you do this, press these two together, and then do that. If you have a case like this. This particular case did not quite need me to install a screwdriver on there. So this was installed differently. Then you're going to press down the lever that's over here on the bottom. After doing so, you should be able to remove the graphics card from your computer. After doing so, you may proceed to installing the next graphics card that you wish to install. And so, you're going to do this. I was accidentally putting it on the wrong port. Just give me a second to put it in there. Make sure. It's gonna be like this. And then make sure it's exactly firm and tight on there. And make sure you cannot take it off. Even it should have clicked, and if it's clicked, it's not going to come off. Here we go. And that's how you install a new graphics card onto your computer. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.